The echo command outputs a line of text or variable values in the terminal. For the basic command, we echo hello world. This outputs hello world to the terminal. Now let's output an environment variable. Echo current user. We use $user. This outputs current user labx. Now let's use the environment variable notation to output the current user's home directory. Echo home directory $home. This outputs home directory /home/labx. The history command lists previously executed commands, making it easy to see what you've done. We type history. Here you can see the last three commands: echo hello world, echo the current user, and echo the home directory. Now let's create a file called file.txt using the touch command. We can see that file.txt has been created. Now let's use echo with redirection to append to this file. Echo some text, redirect the output to file.txt. Now let's cat file.txt. Let's echo some additional text and redirect it to file.txt. When we cat file.txt, we see both lines of text. Word count allows us to count lines, words, and characters in files. With the L option, we can count lines only. There are 2 lines in file.txt. To count words, we use the W option. There are 4 words in file.txt. To count bytes, we use the C option. There are 26 bytes in this file. We can also use WC without any options. This prints the number of lines, which is 2, the number of words, which is 4, the number of bytes, which is 26, and then the name of the file, file.txt. And we can see that some text has been added.